What exactly does Elon Musk, one of the world's wealthiest individuals, actually do all day long? How can one person simultaneously manage electric cars, rockets, AI, and multi-billion dollar companies? What secret formula does Elon Musk have? In today's video, we will discover Elon Musk's daily routine, his work habits, and the mindset that has established him as one of the world's most powerful entrepreneurs. Elon Musk typically wakes up between 6 and 7 am. However, the interesting thing is he does not follow the traditional perfect morning routine. No meditation, no 2-hour gym sessions, no leisurely luxurious mornings. He has stated in numerous interviews that the single most important thing for him is productive time. In other words, start working as soon as humanly possible. Elon Musk regards time as his most valuable asset. His philosophy is, if your time is being wasted, then your life is being wasted. Elon Musk divided his day into 5-minute blocks. Yes, that's right, just 5 minutes. This technique is known as timing blocking. It means that every single segment of his day is planned in advance. Work tasks, meetings, calls, emails, everything is on the schedule. This habit protects him from distractions, as today most people waste hours scrolling social media. But Elon Musk's level of focus is on a completely different plane. As he puts it, focus is a superpower. Now let's talk about Elon Musk's most famous habit, his extreme work ethic. According to reports, Elon Musk has stated that he has frequently worked 80 to 100 hours per week. He has spent many consecutive nights at the Tesla factory to ensure that production is not face any delay. While the rest of the world is resting, Elon Musk is busy solving problems, and this is exactly what sets him apart. His mindset is simple. If other people are working 40 hours and you are working 100, then you can achieve in maths what take other years. Very few people know that Elon Musk was a bookworm in his childhood. He learned everything, rockets, physics, business, coding entirely from books. In other words, self-education. Even today, successful people consider reading to be their secret weapon. This is because books provide you knowledge that a conventional school education does not. Now the question arises, does Elon Musk do nothing but work? He has stated in interviews that if he gets too little sleep, his productivity suffers. Therefore, he strives to get approximately 6 hours of sleep. He has also mentioned that sacrificing sleep is not always a smart move. After all, a tired brain does not make sound decisions. But friends, Elon Musk's most powerful habit is not his daily routine. It is his mindset. He constantly tackles problems that seem impossible. Electric cars once seemed impossible. Reusable rockets once seemed impossible. Yet he took the risk. His core belief is this: people are capable of more than they think. So friends, Elon Musk daily routine teaches us time is our most valuable assets. Focus is the to success. Consistency is more powerful than talent, and those who dare to dream big must also be prepared to work big. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and comment. If you could adopt one habit from Elon Musk, which one would it be? Thank you so much. मैं प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एंड